Welcome to the Debt Calculator tutorial. This is where we cover all the features of the Debt Calculator and how to use the app. So the first thing you can do is click register. Once you click the register, you can enter your preferred username. Here we use John and a password, and then now you're registered. And then once you get registered, you go to get started. It takes you to the profile page. On the profile page, you have your monthly rent, your grocery bill, any type of miscellaneous spending you might have, your current savings, and your region of where you're currently located at.
Here we have the opportunities page. Here you say your opportunity name, city, state, and region that you are in. After that, you input your opportunity yearly after income tax, opportunity one-time bonus, type of opportunity, and relocation. Here we're just adding multiple opportunities to give you a feel of how it should work. Next is debt sources. First you enter your debt name, then you enter your principal amount, yearly rate, then compound frequency, and monthly payment. And after that, you attach your associated opportunity.
Again, we're just entering multiple debt sources so that when we get to the results page, we will have a meaningful graph to show you there. Also, just a little bit of explanation on the associated opportunity field. That gives users the ability to attach a debt to one specific opportunity, such as a grad school loan, or if a debt is constant across all of their opportunities, they can indicate that as well. That's for things like credit cards or car loans. Now we've moved on to the results page. Here on the results page at the very top, you can see a chart that lists which of the opportunities is most lucrative to you. Next is a projection of how much debt you might have, regardless of which opportunity you select, and you can toggle the fields on that. Below that is a projected savings graph. It's very similar to the one before it, so you can also toggle opportunities there, and it just shows you how much savings you might have if you select each opportunity. You can edit the length over which you view these graphs at the top, so you can view these over any number of months that you want, just to give you a better idea of how these opportunities will affect you. Below these is the purchasing power index. So the purchasing power index shows us basically how strong the dollar is in each of the different cities. So as we can see, Boston is more expensive than Houston to live in. And at the very bottom, we have social media links, so you can log in and tweet at us or tweet to us if you enjoyed using the app. And now that we've done all of this, we can go back to the opportunities page, and this is just to highlight how you would edit an opportunity. So we go back here and add 10,000 to the income of one of our opportunities, and then we go back to the results page and we scroll up to the top. We can see that we have a different yearly income and savings opportunity account balance for this opportunity. Thanks for watching.